Oh, the sun is nice. What is up, everybody? Thank you for choosing the video. We're back at it again. Today, we are doing a nice, beautiful winter hike along the Bruce Trail. We're going to be hunting some waterfalls. Not really hunting, that doesn't make sense. We're going to be looking at and or for waterfalls. Let's get to work. So, ooh, that's right in the sun. I got shades too, that's hilarious. Got shades, but I'm not using them. First of all, let me just say, Happy New Year to everybody. I hope you had an awesome New Year's Eve. I'm not gonna lie, I sat around and binged watched hiking videos. But what I was gonna say, anyways, or secondly, we're going after hopefully 5 waterfalls I'd like to get to, which is pretty crazy if you think about it. 5 waterfalls in this stretch of trail. Wow. First of all, just beautiful. But this is quite a downhill. We gotta go all the way down. Let's make our way nice and slowly. I'm gonna need both poles. I'm liking this. I've been hiking along a bit now. And other than my prints, I don't see any people's prints. Nobody's been on this trail for a bit. There you go. You start doing that again. Get the nice shot. Well, it's kind of funny. Every time I'd want to get one of those shots, I have to take my tripod off. Oh, I thought I saw movement. ADHD moment. Every time oh, look at the kitty. Anyway. Rest in peace, Robin Williams. I have to take my tripod off, set it up, get the shot, put it back. However, it does warm my hands up, I'm not gonna lie. Gotta take it slow here. Not only is it slick, but we gotta go up more right there. I'll take it nice and easy here. Oh, what goes up must go down. We go up a lot. So I'm gonna bang this out, get to the first waterfall. What is that? That's weird. There's like a pole with a really old can. I don't know, that's weird. All right, let's get going. Well, rookie mistake on my part. I apologize for the audio in advance. I got everything charging. So I got up on top of the ridge, hiking to the first waterfall, and I foolishly left my phone on, and while I was hiking, left it out. And got to the waterfall, phone was dead. It literally took that like maybe 10 minutes of hiking. So I had to stop, charge it up, get a tea going, because it is cold. We got a motor now. Oh, come on now, trying to break everything. I think we're okay. I got a motor. I've been sitting for about an hour now, and the phone is at about 45, but I got it attached to me. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. And we got a giver now. So let's get to waterfall number 1. Oh, I unplugged it. See, this is going to be tricky, man. This is going to be tricky. Oh, boy. Oh. Yeah, yo, yeah, yeah. If you could see the Jimmy rig I have right now. But it works. Okay, we really got a motor now. But waterfall number one. Oh, nice. Angle. So this is Buttermilk Falls. Can't zoom in, I don't think. No. There we go. Nice. That's crazy. They're going all the way around. Icicles. This one, I don't know how close I want to get to the edge. Honestly, this one usually isn't running very much, but it's actually flowing pretty decently right now. Not really the best one, but definitely a good first one. So now, I got a motor to the next one, which should be one of, if not the best one. Oh yeah, I forgot. I gotta get moving. We might not be able to hit 5 because one, I have to kind of explore to find. I'm gonna see if I can get there quick enough. I wonder if we can just wrap around here. Yeah, we gotta be able to. So we're gonna have to see. Luckily this trail's pretty decent, so I don't need my hiking poles. I also was thinking I might be able to set this Jimmy rig up on my hiking pole, but I'm worried that the battery bank will start sliding down and I'll have to just keep fixing it. But this should work. We just got to get the phone up to a decent percentage and then I don't have to keep charging it. I wish you could see the Jimmy. It's so ridiculous. I love it though. Jimmy rigs for the win. This is beautiful. Absolutely. Got a giant valley. Buttermilk is over there. I wish, I wish we could kind of slow down and enjoy it. But we're basically speed hiking right now. It's nice and flat. We got to get a move on. Gain ground. Get to the next waterfall. Come on now. Oh, that's uphill. All right, I'm not doing that. Oh, we made it. You ready? Boom. I gotta get my glove off so we can zoom in. There we go. Nice. That's a pretty one. Not gonna lie, it's super windy. And there's also a much better lookout over here. So I think I'm gonna head over there, see if we can't catch the audio. Well, that's a nice one. Albion Falls. That is for sure one of my favorite waterfalls. There's so many more to see though. It's unreal. Speaking of speaking of which, we're gonna head to the next one. I'm hoping that my map will help me out. It probably won't, but we might be able to explore for that waterfall. I literally ran here. I basically ran here. Down we go. Connect back with the Bruce Trail. Make our way over that. Over yonder. This is quite steep. So we're for sure gonna have to take our time. That's amazing. Here I am thinking I'm gonna have to explore for this waterfall. Because of how they described it, it was very vague. It's like, oh, it's a 5-minute hike down this trail, a little side trail here. And I'm like, but where is it? Like, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's right here. Oh, I'm not going to be able to see much from here. Oh, no. Yeah, we might get a better view from over there. That's not too bad. The highway might ruin this shot, but little itty bitty. Not so graffiti, but that's the city. I think I'll head a little further down, see if we can't get a better shot of it. But that's not too bad. Yeah, I'll be honest. Ain't much better from over here. I'm not getting, I'm not getting too close to the edge. Like this tree could go if I lean on it. It's very much dead. But Glendale Falls. See if we can sneak through these trees. Nah, not the best angle. In the summertime, I'm sure you could sneak down there. But right now, no day. There we go. Number 3. Now. Onward. There you go. That's a pretty good shot. Little itty bitty. I'm going to call that little itty bitty. It's adorable. That's funny. Ah, well. Haven't seen people in a while. Second I grab my phone to start tacking, there's people. But that's okay. Figured while I make my way, I'll give myself a little plug. Because if you've made it this far, then you might be interested in, my membership. I think we can go this way anyways, yeah. Which, you get a bunch of perks, including members only videos and members only lives. So once I get enough members together, even like 10, like I don't need thousands, put it that way. Once I get enough members together, I'm going to start going live with my members. That's something I added on. So you get videos, you get priority comments. I don't reply to every single comment because then you're just on your phone forever. But figured I'd let you know. If you haven't seen it or you don't know, please feel free to check it out. I do behind the scenes videos, and like I said, I'm going to start doing membership lives. That was terrible. The size of that bad boy. I don't know why you would even need a house that big. Give me a van, I'm good. I can hear her singing. Nice. We got to get over yonder, get a nice view. Look at this valley. Just so beautiful. There we go. Felkers Falls. That is just beautiful. It's even more, well, I wouldn't say more beautiful. Just the perfect spot. As my shoulder is not doing too good from holding this hiking pole up. It actually started with the time lapse, I'm not gonna lie. Now it's bugging me. So I'm gonna sit down, get this bag off for a second. I think we have enough time. I think we might actually pull this off. Yeah. We gotta keep moving. We're so close to the end. Sometimes you just gotta embrace the suck. Shout out to Jocko. So, Here's the thing. The trail can get very complicated now. So what I'm going to try and do is just hug the ridge line here and hopefully find the trail to get down into this valley. Well, that's it for the Brucey. Bye, Brucey. We're bushwhacking now. Oh, we did it. I'm not gonna lie, that was not easy. But we got down. Welcome to Little Davis Falls. Beautiful valley. Got a pretty good flow going. We can't get over there without probably falling. That is literally on an angle. But I gotta say, definitely, again, one of my favorite waterfalls. Little Davis. A little mini going here. This creek's so awesome. So, I'm getting I was gonna say coffee. I'm getting the tea going. I'm trying not to drink so much coffee. That's change number 1 of 2026. But I'm getting that going before I lose the sun, because I still gotta hike out of here and hike home. Did I mention it was cold? The bottle froze. Yeah. Ah. There we go. Oh, yep. Oh boy. Well, that took a while. I don't think I'm even going to put cream in. I'm just going to drink it black because it's warm. And I don't want to lose the warmth. We got a nice warm tea. We got a donut from Tim Hortons. I'd say that's the perfect way to end. I don't even know what time it is. I started hiking about 9 o'clock. It's 2:30 right now. Not too bad. That's frozen. Yeah. Leave no trace activated. Bye, Little Davis. You're awesome. But sun's dropping and I'm getting chilly. I'm not gonna lie, the tea cooled down very quickly. So I just basically chugged it. Oh. All right, everybody. That's gonna sum up this video. I got a long walk ahead of me and I gotta get moving. My hands are pretty nippy, I'm not gonna lie. So, where's the sun here? It's gonna bug the shot. I'd like to thank you for watching. Thank you to everybody that subscribes. Best way to support the channel, hit that subscribe button. Again, you can also check out my membership, especially if you made it this far. Pretty please, check it out. And we'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Yum.